Hi, it's me again, and welcome to episode number 13 of Unedited series. And I'm a little low on energy today because yesterday I got my second jab and running a little fever today. So I'll not be talking about marketing or business or anything else. Instead, I'll be talking about success and probably life. I know it's a very abstract topic, but I have been noticing a certain pattern among people that, in my opinion, leads to failure 100% of the time. So, you know, all right. So basically, sorry about the low energy today. If you like watching my unedited episodes, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that every day you get notified for this particular episodes and hit that bell icon if it appears. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But the behavior that I have been noticing recently in, among my students, among my friends, is that they mention me in DMs ki, hey Jain bhai, um, um, we are stuck somewhere, and let's say most of the queries go like this: Jain bhai, I want to start an e-commerce store. Please give me a step-by-step guidance. Or they say, Jain bhai, I want to start an e-commerce store. Give me a specific budget that will help me, lead me to success. Or somebody will say, I'm starting a blog. Give me step-by-step guidance and give me this like a particular number of blog posts that I should write per month and many other things. While most of these things are quantifiable, not everything is mathematics in the world, right? And depending on this particular system of learning, which is a step-by-step learning, on anything, that will only lead you to failure. Reason being, your mentor's journey and your journey are not going to be same. The step-by-step guidance that your mentor will give may not work for you. I mean, I can give you a step-by-step guidance on how to run Facebook ads effectively, and it will still not work for you because I don't know your audience. I don't know the behavior of your audience. I don't know, um, the interests of your audience. So many things that are intangible. We kind of miss those when we are, formulating this step-by-step processes. And that's what I wanted to say. Like nothing in the world is step-by-step. If you are following a step-by-step process to achieve a result, maybe it will work on some technical aspects, just like in school they used to work, and anything mathematical will work with the step-by-step approach. But you cannot use the step-by-step approach to start a business or run a business because it's not mathematical. It is more creative than mathematical. You cannot use the step-by-step approach to, let's say copywriting or blog writing or anything like that. So all in all, I'm saying that if you are running your own business, running an actual business, whether it is content marketing business in a blog or your own e-commerce store or your own SaaS product store, you cannot depend on a step-by-step guidance. The process that looks like in this particular matters is mostly like this. You start it, take first step, fail, iterate, improvise, succeed, take the second step, fail, iterate, improvise, succeed, third step, fail. It just goes on like that. And this is exactly how it's done most of the time. I would say 100% of the time, not even 90% of the time. You figure out your own way, and that is important, that you need to figure out your own way. If you are choosing a mentor, they are just going to show you the basics, the overall how the scenario looks, and where you should not go to commit those mistakes. You have to keep those in mind, obviously. But to take that step, you have to take the plunge. You know what they say, like if you are sailing the ship, you cannot get from one island to another unless you let go of the shite of the shore. You have to let go of that comfort zone and start working on your own niche and figure out your own way. And if you are not willing to do that, then definitely this is not going to work for you, and probably you are not cut out for this. You can always do a simple job in which everything is set in stone, like an SOP is written, and as per the SOP, you can uh, do all those stuff. You don't even have to use your brain, the right brain. It's completely lizard left-brained things. For job, it makes sense because it's more often than not, it is kind of technical unless you are in a creative job. Even in creative jobs, there are SOPs nowadays. I don't know why, right? It is there. So, yes, let go of that mindset of getting a step by step guidance. They will absolutely lead you to failure. Create your own path, do your own research, and take the first step. Then fail at it. Be courageous enough to fail at it. Then iterate your process, figure out where is the mistake, improvise it, succeed. Take the second step and fail. You have to be willing to fail or have minor setbacks every step of the way. So, yes, that's my rant for today. Sorry for being so low on energy today. I'm not feeling very well. So, see you tomorrow. And yes, thank you very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, whatever they say. Thank you very much.